Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take night photos on your Redmi K70 Ultra device. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch the camera app, and what should happen is if your phone automatically detects the dark environment, so for example I'm going to move it to a bit darker environment, on the bottom should appear a little like moon icon with the amount of seconds it takes to take the photo. So once I start taking the photo, it should take 1 second like loading time to make the photo, do some calculations and make the photo brighter. And that it depends on the darkness of the environment. The number you can see, it changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.